As you guys know, I love food and I love real estate, and I'm so excited that we have someone else that does as well. So, what are we gonna be making today?
So Amit, today we're gonna be making jackfruit tacos because they're so easy to make. It's nutritious, delicious, and it's done in like 20 minutes. So jackfruit, I'm gonna be using the stuff in a can today, but it's normally this huge, giant fruit, native to India. It's so nutritious. It's full of vitamin A, vitamin C, potassium, magnesium. When you get it in a can, it's unripe and you can turn it into savory dishes. It's more like a pulled pork kind of texture and kind of taste until you add, seasonings to it.
Nice.
So I'm gonna show you how to make really good tacos with it. So we have our jackfruit meat. As you can see, it has that texture of a pulled pork and it looks just like pulled pork. I'm from Mississippi, and where I'm from, people love their meat. So I made these jackfruit tacos and I served it right along next to the burgers and the pork and the steaks, and no one could tell this was not meat. So it's good stuff. So this is my sort of Southwestern seasoning mix. It's coriander, cumin, paprika, salt and pepper, marjoram, and as soon as it hits these onions, it's about to fill the space with this beautiful aroma. All right, so I'm gonna add my jackfruit meat to my onions and my seasonings. I'm gonna let it really pick up all those flavors. I really want it to get this beautiful kind of brown, like a golden brown. That's how I know it's gotten all the seasonings, all of those beautiful spices really cooked into it. It should not take very long at all. I love that this kitchen has a gas stove. It's the best way to cook food. All chefs prefer a gas stove. So I'm just gonna chop up some cilantro. I've got a little avocado. I've got some pineapple salsa. I'm gonna put in some vegan refried ranchero beans just for a little extra protein. This is my favorite brand, Siete. There's obviously no pork fat, which is usually in refried beans. And there's also, tomatoes and chipotle seasoning, so it's really good. And to make it really fast, I'm just gonna put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds, and that's my beans, because I promised you guys 20 minutes. So here you go. So I'm gonna put a little layer of beans on the bottom of each one. Again, it's just for that protein, a little more texture. Adding beans to a dish is never a bad idea. So now I'm gonna add a little bit of pineapple salsa. This was store-bought, nice and easy. Can't really have a taco without cilantro. Just a sour cream kind of sauce that I mixed with lime juice. Gosh, it smells so good. I'm smelling the flavors of the seasonings that I added to the taco meat, that chipotle, that cumin, that coriander. This is gonna add some brightness with the sour cream and the lime juice. The coriander, the cilantro is gonna be perfect added on top. And then just one little dollop of avocado. All right, so here's our 20-minute healthy tacos. They are done. I've got hard and soft depending on your preference. I just wanted to mention that the sour cream that I used is vegan. It's my favorite vegan sour cream brand called Foodie. So this is all plant-based and it's delicious. And I want to prove to you it's delicious by feeding it to a meat lover. We've got Amit here. I'm gonna let him try our taco. You can have whichever one you want.
I'm excited.
And I want your honest opinion.
Okay, cool. Let's see. Very good.
All right.
Can I have them all? It tastes meaty, you know, and just to be honest with you, I typically don't like jackfruit, but this tastes really good.
Okay.
So you converted me.
Good.
This home is 2.75 million. It's in South Miami, and if you're interested in it, please reach out to Tara.
Yes. Looking forward to seeing more of you guys, you seeing more of me and us, and more beautiful houses.
And I'm gonna eat my taco.